First, we use just natural materials, and the most important component, of course, is natural lime. And so all the wall and the floor and also the layer behind are based on limes and Cocciopesto and also pomice, like is a special lightweight pozzolana. And so the first solution for the floor was to destroy all the layers, but after that we put 1 centimeter of rinzaffo MGN, rinzaffo controspinta. Rinzaffo controspinta works like waterproof layer, but is still breathing, and also it can also block the salty. The salty here can come from concrete and also from the ground. And after this layer, we built around 12 centimeters, 14 centimeters of calce pomice. Calce pomice is also breathing material and lightweight and strong, but also it can work as well like thermal insulation layer. And after that we make 4-5 centimeters of Cocciopesto.
Massetto caldo.
Massetto caldo. Massetto caldo with his high heating feeling. It gives
specific heat.
Specific heat. And so you have the feeling of comfort inside the building. And after that, the option was for the finishing of pastellone classico pastellone alla veneziana, that is, the progenitor of, is like the father of the modern resin floor, but is much more better because it's total natural and also, again, breathing material.
Historical floor.
And of course, historical and healthy material. And if you want to see how it was done, the different layer, you can see partially here. Mm-hmm. So we have the last layer of pastellone, and first this is mega stuc. This is
to pre-finish in a way,
yes,
kind of the leveling
with the net.
Yeah.
And if you see here, you can see there is the massetto caldo.
Yeah, the floor-based.
Yes. Unfortunately, you can't see the calce pomice layer because there is this timber piece, so it's not possible to see it at the moment. Okay.
Ah, that's the bathroom.
Yeah, pastellone.
Again, another Venetian floor.
Exactly.
Seamless, flat Venetian floor.
Exactly, yes.
And we can see the rinzaffo here, the base
yes, this is not rinzaffo, not only rinzaffo, this is fondo pozzolanico.
Ah, this one?
Yes.
And this?
A little bit of rinzaffo to complete some parts. This is the massetto caldo.
The pre-finish?
Pre-finish with the megastuc and the net, and after that the pastellone classico alla veneziana.
Hai fatto fondo pozzolanico?
I put fondo pozzolanico because this is a wet zone, and so I prefer to be sure that in case of leakage nothing comes to the lower level.
So you made a vessel of
exactly.
a small vessel.
Exactly.
What is the thickness of the Venetian fondo? Sorry.
Just a few millimeters. A couple of millimeters.
Couple of millimeters.
Yeah. It's just finishing.
The finishing, yeah.
Yes.
The pastellone finishing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, very nice. So everything basically here is lime based. There is
Yes.
no cement
No cement at
for
all.
waterproofing. I can smell here, and you mentioned that. Did you use beeswax on the floor?
Yes, exactly.
So you have you have the Pastellone Veneziano, which has this very characteristic orangey
Yes.
brick color.
Exactly.
About
After
2-3
that, I
milliliters.
put first a layer of lino oil. Lino from oil from lino.
Linseed oil?
Linseed oil.
okay.
And just rub it basically with a soft cloth
No, I just use a brush.
brush, okay?
Yes. So one hand, and then I cover it with two hand of
Beeswax.
wax.
What time did you leave between the various layers?
Around 1 week
1 week between each.
between each.
So it was the 3 layers within a 2-week period, basically 2-week wait time in between, or I mean all together.
Okay, but it's okay. 1
Yeah.
or 2 weeks, okay. And after that, you see that now this smell will go away in a couple of weeks.
Yes. And then also you mentioned when we came in that certain areas look darker because the oil is still absorbing into the floor. Once this actually gets normal, it's going to have a bit more uniform,
Yes,
more uniform
it is.
color. So this is still a work in progress. And we can see on the floor this typical pattern of the Venetian floor,
Exactly.
a random pattern.
Yes,
And-
what is interesting is to see these different areas. For example, when is more uniform, smooth, is because I work more with wet lime, and here, for example, this area darker are the area where the blade, inox blade, pressed harder the material
And created
this shape.
things.
And what is
Yeah.
important is to play, because the shape can be nice, but if they are too much, they are really bad, in my idea.
Yeah, okay.
And so the combination between these different option is good.
Why have you been using, what was the reason why you have used for your home the MGN materials or something else?
Of course, because I already used the MGN in many projects, and I know that is really high level quality material with just natural materials. Not there is not any kind of unhealthy additives like formaldehyde or like cement, and so first was for my health, okay, and of my family, of course, and also because they are really beautiful. There are, I saw that my colleagues always fall in love with this material because they can speak with you. They can communicate the beauty, the naturality, the traditionality. That's why. And what else?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.